Welcome to part 2 of the Studio 4 look at preventing and relieving migraines. I'm Natasha and I'm joined here by my daughter. Her name is Lena. And we wanted to first talk to you a little bit about supplements, and then we're going to talk about whole foods. And one of the most important supplements that you can provide yourself when you're trying to prevent or relieve yourself from migraines is magnesium. As an adult, you can find those in capsule forms. When you're buying supplements, you just want to look for something that's pretty clean, that you understand what has gone into the manufacturing process. We also like this one for kids. It's a liquid, so you just follow the directions on the label for age, height, weight, but there are liquid options. There are liquid options for adults as well if swallowing pills is hard for you. The thing is that what's really safe for both kids and adults is whole foods, right? Because we get all these nutrients with the foods themselves, and then we get other benefits, and we're going to talk about some of those as we go through each of the different foods that are really rich in magnesium. And this is when it comes down to, like, it's sometimes when you need the relief, there's like a pill that you can take, but then there's also this option throughout the day in your everyday life with your lifestyle choices that you can go back to looking at whole foods as a way to promote optimal health. So the first one I want to mention is seaweed. And so I've got some nori here, known for making sushi, right? We dig our sushi. And then kombu, and anything in the kelp family is going to be really rich in magnesium. Kombu is interesting in like a mineral broth or some stews. It's an interesting, unique ingredient, but you do want to look it up. Thank you, Lena. Blackstrap molasses is another something that's really, really high in magnesium. And then I'm a fruit person. We like fruit. So dates, and also a rich source of fiber. And we totally dig freezing these in our house. Is it the same as a cookie? Like if you have a sweet tooth? No, not really, but it is tasty. And same with apricots, also pretty rich in magnesium. So after you open, these are dried apricots, and do look for ones that are unsulfured, because additives can sometimes be triggers for migraines, so that would be another thing to look for. These are pretty clean, it's just apricots that have been dried. So especially when you have ones that have no preservatives in them, you're gonna wanna refrigerate it when you're done. Now the final thing isn't related to any food or vitamin, it's just staying hydrated. Can you show us what staying hydrated looks like? Drink your water.